Bloom's TV.
Baby elephants one by one, marching gently in the sun. Big soft ears and trunks so long, moving slowly to the song. Stomp, stomp, here they go, swinging trunks to and fro. Tiny tails that swish around, making fun and happy sound. Baby elephants two by two, walking in a happy queue, splashing water with delight, playing games from day to night. Flap, flap, ears so wide, side by side they proudly stride through the jungle green and bright. Everything feels pure and light. Baby elephants three by three, happy as they can be, rolling, tumbling in the mud, splashing in a puddle of fun. Stomp, 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 jump and play, chasing butterflies all day, laughing in their elephant way, having fun in work and play. Baby elephants four in line, marching in a row so fine. Trumpet sounds go loud and clear, pow, pow, for all to hear. Through the forest they parade, not a single one afraid. Big and small they dance and sway in a joyful, silly way. Now the sun begins to set, time to rest, no more to get. Baby elephants say good night, sleep beneath the moon so bright.